The Russell Hobbs 28-litre microwave features a powerful 900-watt motor, 10 programmable preset menu functions including popcorn, vegetable and defrost to name a few. This elegant microwave has an easy-to-open push-button door, a smart mirror finish and an easy-to-clean grey interior featuring a 315mm turntable. To set the clock function on your microwave, this is how it's done. Please remember that this is only a 12-hour clock. You're going to press the clock button, input the time, and press clock again to set it. To activate and use my programmable memory function, I'm going to use the 0 or memory button. I can set up to 3 different memory functions. To set a memory function, select 1, 2, or 3. Set your cooking time. In this instance, I want my food to cook for 12 minutes. Then I'm going to set my microwave power. PL10 means it's going to cook at 100%, PL1 would be 10%, and PL5 would be 50% respectively. Once I'm done, I'm going to press start to save and activate my cooking. Smart info functionality in cooking state means even though my microwave is counting down, I can check the time, and in some instances I can even check my microwave power. To check the time, I can press clock, and to check the microwave power, I can press power. After a few seconds, the microwave will default back to a countdown. Child lock is very important. To activate my child lock, I'm going to long press the stop or cancel button. I need to count to 3 seconds and wait for my microwave to beep. Once I see this sign, it means that my child lock has been activated. To deactivate, I'm going to hold and press my stop or cancel button for a further 3 seconds until I hear another beep.